Hey guys, welcome our new video. Are you ready to take your intimate experiences to the next level? In today's video, we're unveiling the top 5 essential oils that not only promote penile health, but can also enhance your performance and timing. Imagine feeling more confident and lasting longer. Sounds great, right? Stick around, because these natural powerhouses are about to become your new best friends in the bedroom. Number 1. Hemp seed oil benefits. Rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Hemp seed oil promotes healthy skin and can improve blood circulation. How to use oil. 1. Use cold-pressed hemp seed oil. 2. Apply a few drops onto your hands and warm it up. 3. Gently massage it onto the penis and surrounding areas. Additional benefits: supports hormonal balance and may enhance libido due to its essential fatty acid content. List number 2. Avocado oil benefits. Packed with vitamins A, D, and E. Avocado oil nourishes the skin and improves elasticity. How to use oil. 1. Use cold-pressed avocado oil. 2. Warm a small amount in your palms. 3. Massage it onto the penile area to moisturize and enhance skin health. Asterisk, asterisk. Additional benefits. Asterisk, asterisk. Its hydrating properties can help reduce friction during intimate activities. Number 3. Marula oil benefits. High in antioxidants and fatty acids. Marula oil can hydrate and protect the skin while promoting elasticity. How to use oil. 1. Use pure marula oil. 2. Apply a few drops to your palms and rub them together. 3. Massage it gently onto the penis and surrounding areas. Additional benefits. Good for sensitive skin and can help soothe irritation or dryness. Number 4. Sandalwood oil. Diluted. Benefits. Known for its calming and soothing properties, sandalwood oil can enhance relaxation and mood. How to use oil. 1. Dilute sandalwood oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil. 2. Mix a few drops into a tablespoon of carrier oil. 3. Apply it gently to the skin using light massage techniques. Additional benefits. Its aromatic properties can also enhance intimacy and create a relaxing atmosphere. Number 5. Grapeseed oil benefits. Light and non-greasy. Grapeseed oil is high in polyunsaturated fats and vitamin E, which can benefit skin health. How to use oil. 1. Choose refined grapeseed oil for a neutral scent. 2. Take a small amount and warm it in your hands. 3. Massage it onto the penis, focusing on areas that may need extra attention. Additional benefits. Its lightweight nature makes it ideal for use during intimate moments without feeling sticky. Application. Tips. Routine. Incorporate these oils into a regular self-care routine to maximize benefits. Combination. Consider mixing different oils for a synergistic effect, like combining jojoba oil with a few drops of peppermint oil for cooling. And moisturizing benefits. Consultation. If unsure about using any oil, especially if you have sensitive skin or allergies, consult with a healthcare provider. These unique oils not only enhance skin health, but may also contribute to a more fulfilling sexual experience when integrated into your routine. Always ensure the oils are pure and suitable for topical use.